Angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading for the week of 17th to the 23rd of May. Yes, friends, finally we are into May and the end of May. My God, what a year it has been! I hope you all are doing well, friends. I really hope so, and staying positive. So, friends, this is a charms reading, as you all know. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share, friends. And do join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Friends, this is a charms reading. Yes, friends, and happy birthday, Geminis. Yay! I feel some of you have your birthdays this week, so yay! Happy birthdays! And there is a new moon in Gemini, and this new moon will bring a lot of relief and happy energies into our world and into this week. Oh my God, what a week what a year it has been. So, friends, let's take a deep breath. Without further ado, let's take a deep breath, relax, and today's choices are these fruits as we are in the summer month. So I thought fruits are a good thing for summers, you know. It's always nice with fruits, isn't it? High vibrations. So let's see for those. Relax, take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose pile 1, the watermelon. It is so beautiful. Pile 2, the pineapple. This is beautiful, friends. Pile 3, the apple. The red apple looks like a cherry. Relax, and take a deep breath and choose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose your pile. You can also choose more than one pile. We are going to look into your love life, career, money, education, everything in this week. And charms are here. My bag of charms is also here. Let's see for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful watermelon, what will happen for you this week from the 17th till the 23rd. I feel this is a good week for you and some happy surprises coming because you see this watermelon has a sweet expression and it also has the rock. Let's rock. Let's rock symbol on it. Let's just see here. It's cute. I like it. So this is your romance angels messages, your advice card. We're gonna look at them in the end. Let's see your cards first. The Fool, wonderful. The 7 of Pentacles, the 5 of Swords, the Queen of Wands, beautiful, lovely. The 10 of Pentacles and the 9 of Wands, okay. And Divine Teacher, Karmic Balance. Wow. This is beautiful. I know what's going on in your week. Okay, I'm gonna place it here. Sorry, friends. Okay, let's see. So what is going to happen in this week for you, friends? I feel this is a very, a very powerful week for you because, you have a lot of karmic healing and a new and a happy week for you. Why? Because a lot of karma is being released, negativity is released. I feel you had been in this energy of 5 of Swords. Maybe there was an argument or conflict in your life, or someone has hurted you, ghosted you, blocked you. Maybe it is at work, or maybe it is in your love life. People were working against you. I'm feeling like, people were working behind your back, and you were kind of frustrated with it. You were like, when is this going to ever change? Will this ever change? That was your question. I feel yes, you are going to find a relief, and I feel you had been struggling, pile number 1, since a very long time, maybe since the start of this year. It has not been a good year. I feel especially for you, those who chose pile 1, because you are tired, you are trying to fight negativity negativity, you are trying to fight people who are working against you, someone is trying to someone has hurted you, stabbed you in the back. It could be a relationship, it could be a family member or someone at your work. But darling, all those things are bye bye. No more, no more bad stuff this week. Why? Because you have the balance card. Something is going to be balanced in your life. You are going to get the balance you need. You had been patient, friends. You had been waiting since a long time and you had been quite patient. So I feel this week is going to bring you a lot of money. It is also going to bring you rewards of your hard work. I feel some of you had been working a lot, like on your career, on your business, on your love life, on your life in general. Yes, it is going to pay off. You are going to get rewards and riches of what you desire. I feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important this week for you, or you are an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I also feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important for you, friends. I feel our viewers who are watching or chosen this pile could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel a lot of Gemini or Aquarius energy with our viewers here. So definitely, but you are going to come out of everything. You are going to come on top of your game this week, whether it is in love or career or your education. We also have charm, so we will confirm in which area you will be most affected this week, or most you will be most gaining the rewards this week. So we will actually see that also. But I feel you are coming on top of something which was negative, which was hurting you, which was not good for you. So something is shifting, and something is going to bring you something is going to bring you power, ambition. In love, I feel there is a person who has cheated you or hurted you. It could be like a twin flame relationship for some of you, which was, there was an on and off battle going on, a cold war going on. But I feel this has been going on since 2 to 3 months, or 5 months, or 6 months for some of you. This war, this fight, this backstabbing. I feel you are tired of this situation and you want a change. And you had been hoping that it would happen, this change, with a new person or someone else, or in this connection. I feel yes, you are going to come on top of this situation, this negativity, and you are going to attract a lot of attention this week, pile number one. So you are the watermelon. Everybody wants you, because in summers everybody is looking for watermelons or coconuts. So yeah, that's what you are. Powerful, mighty, and passionate. You will be shining. A lot of attention will be coming towards you, especially if you are single. Expect more suitors, expect more messages. On social media, on your Instagram, WhatsApp, other areas. Expect a lot of passion coming your ways. I feel in a relationship, if you are in a relationship or some sort of a situation in love, I feel you are going to get, some of you are going to get a new start in that relationship. But someone has to apologize and say sorry or fix things and show it in their actions. If they are not willing to show in their actions, I feel you are the queen and you will be moving out of the situation and saying bye bye. I am no longer interested in this blocking, fighting, arguments. You may bid them bye bye. But if someone really shows you a change in their actions, I think, which I feel some of them could be showing you some actions, I feel someone will offer you this peace apology, some message, some reconnection, because a lot of planets are in retrograde. So people are trying to reflect on their actions, why they did something, and you can expect an apology or something to come your way. But I feel for others it will be a brand new start, a brand new connection coming into your life, and you also feeling like yes, I am going to achieve whatever I want, be it in love. and relationships. I also feel if some of you were having problems in a marriage or with family or with parents, you are going to find happiness and stability there. And definitely money is coming your way, friends. You don't have to worry about money this week, because I see if you are waiting for some in money or paycheck or your salary to come in, it will come in, friends. It may come in with a delay, but I definitely feel on the 22nd is the new moon. Let me just check. Yes, on the 21st, Sun enters Gemini, and on 22nd of May, the new moon is there. So definitely you can find a lot of money coming in, coming your way that time. I also feel in career and your education, you are feeling so powerful, so powerful. It is like, you have your dreams, your goals all set out, and you want to achieve them. No more stopping you. Nobody can stop you, and you will be willing to take some risk this week, especially in your career, your job, and your education. I feel some of you could be starting something new, like maybe you are learning a new. We will check with the charms what new things you will be doing, but I feel some of you will be getting a pet, or spending more time with animals, or you want to be, you will learn something new which will help people. I feel like some of you could be also wanting to go abroad or settle abroad. I also feel some of you want to go abroad for a job, or you are already abroad. So something about that is also there. It will be resolved, friends. It will be resolved in your favor. If you are married, I feel the passion will be very high in your connection, in your marriage. You can expect a lot of support from your mother-in-law, father-in-laws, and your family. I also feel some of you could get, like, if someone in the family is ill or having some health issues, I feel you can come out of, you can expect some recovery to happen there. That is also coming. Balance, divine teachers. So definitely your life is going to be balanced, and some negative issue or some negative people or some karmic issues will be healed and replaced, and you will feel like, yeah, finally life is good, life is a relief. It will give you a relief. I feel a Libra could be important. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. I feel someone could offer you love also this week, or some sort of a gift, maybe a job opportunity is coming your way, or maybe some sort of a gift is coming your way. So watch out for that. Let's see your advice card. I want to see your advice card. New dawn, the worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. Absolutely, friends. This week is good for you. All the tears you have cried, all the, weight you have shown, your patience, all of it will be rewarded. All of it will be rewarded, and you can now let your hair down, relax, enjoy life. And I feel a lot of attention is on you. A lot. I think some of you could be setting some new goals this week, and it will make you feel very excited. I feel. Let's see your romance angels messages. Let your friends help you. I'll ask for and accept support from others. Definitely this is the week where you will be having a lot of attention on you, friends. So a lot of people want to know you. It is also a time when you want to come out. Even if you are an introvert, you will be attracting a lot of people, and making some new friends. And if you lost a friendship or something like that, if you are having issues with a friend, you can expect them to return back, or things to get balanced between you and them. I think it's a great week for you. Let us see with the what is the charms say for you. Let's see that for pile number one. For pile number one, this week of 17th to the 23rd, for pile one, for the week of 17th to 23rd. Ooh. Lots of charms came out. See the message in a bottle. So absolutely someone is going to message you. I feel if you are a man, you may message someone. Even if you are a woman, I feel like you may tell someone or share someone your feelings. It could be a new connection coming in, like a crush or someone who likes you. They may also tell you how they feel. There is the ex also, so definitely an ex lover or a past friendship could be returning back. There is H, N, X. J is also important, I is important, and Y is important. So maybe the letters Jimmy, name is Jimmy, or those names are important. Jimmy, I don't know if you can make any other words. Hina, Nia, maybe Nia is the word or Ria is the word. So yeah, those words are important. J, N, I, Y, H, X are important for you. We have the strawberry. I feel you will feel very passionate this week, not just about yourself, but also about everything in your life, like your friendships. You are very passionate. I feel some of you could get very upset if things are slow this week, because you are not in the mood for slow things. You want to achieve it now. You want things to go, go, go. You don't want to wait, friends. You don't want to wait. And so strawberry is like, yes, you have what it takes, and your passion is high. Number 26 might be important. So there is only one number that has come, which is strange, because usually a few more numbers will come, but only one has come. Number 26. We have the sage. So yes, and the star card is also there. So wishes are coming true. Sage is like you have become wise. Yes, someone has stabbed you, someone has hurted you, maybe at your work, maybe in love life, but it was a karmic lesson. You learned something from it. You have become wiser. You have become a sage from it. Let us see. Wow, Eight of Cups. Definitely some of you are walking away. Just like this Five of Swords and the Nine of Swords. Definitely I feel some of you could be leaving a friendship, or you had already left a person. But I feel something will clarify, like why something happened. I feel some of you are upset why this thing happened with me. What have I done? What is their karma? Why did they hurt me? Why, when I loved them, why did they do this to me? Okay, because you know that why did they do it, or what was the lesson for you, or what was the blessing from that situation for you, that will be revealed this week. And some of you could be getting a message from an ex-lover or a friend, an apology. I also feel here is the leaf. So someone could be gifting you flowers, or you could be starting your own garden, or spending more time near flowers and such things. I also feel like there is this moon bead here, so definitely your moods can shift this week, from strawberry feeling happy, excited, and then to the down in the dumps, like what is going on. So that can happen. And there is a cat, and you already have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, like the lion's energy. So cat is like stay open, stay open to spirit. Something can be, sorry friends for the noise, something is going to be shown to you this week. And because you have the star, wishes coming true, a new dawn is coming for you. And I know some of you are saying when you are hearing this reading, like, nah, magic says nothing happens. I know you all. But friends, you have to keep some faith, because there is a new start coming for you. And sometimes new starts happen as lightly or as quietly, like as the stars come shine in the night, so it is very quiet, nothing happens. But then sometimes later on you realize, oh, it was that time when actually things started. I wasn't able to identify at that time, but when you go ahead and look back, everything makes sense. So it is here the new start is happening. The Fool is here, the star is here for you, wishes coming true. Let's see if I can get more charms for pile number 1 for this week. Wow, see, Number 5 is important, and here is the 5 card. The 5 of swords. We also have the 10 of pentacles. So definitely changes, positive changes are coming for you. I feel you could be a life path number 5. Again, this is mushrooms are here. So your connection to fairies, your connection to your passion. Ooh, this is a hot week, especially if you are in a relationship. If you are not in a relationship, I think this week could become frustrating for you because you have so much passion. You are like, I want love right now, this minute. So I think keep talking, start making new friends. I think that is where love comes from. Start making some new friends. It is going to help you. And there is the hat, so someone is going to offer you something. And protection, I feel someone is going to offer you love and feelings of affection. We also have this beautiful shoe. This Wow, this is beautiful, and again it is red. You can see this beautiful shoe. I don't know if you can see, look at it. Ooh, I think you will be going places this week, whether you want to achieve things a lot, and you are passionate, you are risky. I would say be careful if you are driving, because you are like, ooh, you want to overachieve things, you want people to know who you are. There is also a cup here, so teacups. I feel coffee dates, parties, or maybe someone you had a good friendship will connect back with you. There is also a giver, so you people are very nurturing. If you are single, I feel a new connection which is very passionate and a giver. Could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is coming towards you. Karmic, yes, some situation that happened in the past was karmic, friends. I told you, this hurt, this pain, all this thing, it made you feel defeated, it made you feel rejected, but it is all over, friends. This new dawn is here, and it was a karmic situation. Father, some of you could be dealing with your father-in-laws or fathers, or some, if you are a man, you definitely want to get married and become a dad or something, because passions are high, friends, passions are high. 7 of cups, you also have 7 of pentacles, so some decisions will be here this week for you. And August is important, I feel August is also here, so something may have happened in August, or maybe this new start which is happening now will actually show its more results, or you will understand this new start which is happening now in August better, because you may meet someone now and you will be like, nah, this is just something passing by, and in August you'll come back to my channel and say, oh my god, it was here, you told me and it happened. So yeah, it can happen. I think it's already happening, good things. And see, divine timing is here, the compass is here, so you are on the right path, and something that is destined for you, a new job or a relationship or more passion towards life, and a relief from a tough situation is coming towards you, friend. And it is a fabulous week for you. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, and visit our Instagram or join our Instagram is in Magic Vens Tarot. And that's it for now. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you choose pile number 2, this beautiful pineapple, let us see how this week will be for you. I feel this is going to be a very happy and exciting week for you, because and nurturing also, because pineapples are loaded with good stuff, and they are, pineapple juices are extremely healthy and very beneficial. And this is your advice, love messages, and this is your advice. We're gonna look at the end. Let's see your cards. We also have the charms here, friends. The sun, wow, see, I told you something very healthy, something very positive. And yes, we start with the, ooh, why the cards are dancing. I feel some of you could be dancing this week, or you want to. Some of you could be doing some Zumba or something like that, some exercising. The sun, the king of wands, interesting. The 9 of swords, the 7 of wands, the king of swords. Oh my god, you have 2 kings here, the judgment, and epiphany, the higher self. Oh my god, friends, this is a powerful week for you. You have 2 kings here. Interesting, very very interesting. I feel some of you are currently dealing with anxiety. Some of you are feeling very anxious. I feel some of you couldn't sleep at night right now, or your sleep cycle is like not good currently. It is like you feel something is either bothering you, or it is like I feel like something is bothering you, definitely. I feel you are anxious, but I do not see, like, some of you could be anxious because you can't sleep. Your sleep cycle is disturbed because of the quarantine, lockdown, the schedule is gone. I feel others of you are worried about some love situation, and that is causing you anxiety. I feel some of you are dealing with a twin flame partnership, and it is causing you a lot of worry, a lot of stress. And some of you could be dealing with a husband or a wife that is not at all listening to you, and it is making you worried. It's like, oh my god, what is happening? I feel if you are a student, you might also be worried. I'll cover that also, but first let me cover the love, then we're gonna go to career and education, like always, and the charms. I feel this week there is a worry. There is a worry in your mind, and you are trying to run away from it. You are trying to do your best, not focus on it, and get out of it. And I think someone is trying to, I think someone, you are missing someone, and it is like you don't want to think about them, or this person doesn't want to think about you, but they keep thinking about you. Wow, it is a lot of defensive energy. I feel either you are trying to run away from something this week, or someone is trying to run away from you. It could be a twin flame, or a relationship, or a soulmate, lover, or a husband and wife. But I feel like one of you is stressed out, and the other wants to work on this relationship, and the other person is a bit tired. It is like someone is tired and someone wants to work on this relationship. So it's kind of frustrating. It's kind of frustrating. Oh my God. Yes, I'm talking about the light, it keeps flickering. I don't know what's going on. So definitely what's going on is judgment going on, friends. Definitely spirit is here and spirit is guiding you. I feel there could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person that's important to you, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person that is also important to you this week, or you could be these sun signs. I feel like, someone is quite egoistic and they are not listening to their heart. They are trying to run away from this connection. They are being egoistic. They are very career driven. They don't want to listen, and I think their behavior is causing you anxiety, or this person already is anxious, but they still, and they worry losing you, but they still don't want to come towards you. But the passion between you and them is growing. It is a lot of passion between you and them, and I feel no one is trying to give up. No one. I think both of you are in this energy of two, you are here, you are here. So both of you are in opposite directions, and right now, especially if this is a relationship, I feel if you are single, you could be dealing with two people, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and you kind of feeling frustrated because both of them are pushing on your buttons or something, friends, this week. But I feel all that will resolve. You will start the week with this energy of worry, or someone is worried about you and you are also worried about them. Someone is trying to run away from this relationship, but I think that is not how the week will end, because a breakthrough is going to come in this relationship. I feel there is a lot of running and chasing happening. You want to work on a relationship, someone doesn't want to, or they are fighting you away, or you are fighting this person away. But a breakthrough is going to happen, friends. Clarity will come, a breakthrough will happen. I feel like some of you could be feeling, if you are single, some of you could be very anxious that you are not going to find love. Love is not coming your way. I think this week will surprise you. If you make some efforts to reach out to people or talk to people, you may get two people coming in your life, or you already have two people, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. But I feel your confused regarding which one to choose or not to choose, but that clarity will come. That clarity will come to you, friends. This will happen in this week only. This clarity, this breakthrough, and it will resolve and heal your love life. I also feel some sort of a justice or judgment will come, like this God's, just judgment is like this situation, someone is not telling you something. Something is not clear in your love situation or your marriage or your ex person. It will become clear. Some communications are coming, it will become clear. I also feel if you were dealing with a very old connection, that person could suddenly come back and message you because they are divinely guided. Canada, France, Italy might be important to you this week, or something related to those areas are important. If you are married, I feel your marriage could be affected by your father-in-law, your mother-in-law, or there is some sort of a battle, an ego issue can happen, but remain, or you are already like, having some fights going on, arguments going on, or maybe it's a divorce that you are trying to end or something like that. I think justice will happen, especially if you are dealing with any sort of legal issues. Justice will happen. It will be for you. Good news will be coming for you. If you are asking, if you are married, you can expect childbirth or pregnancy to happen, or some sort of a breakthrough in those areas. Fertility, those areas will also happen. I feel this is a week where you will be feeling very passionate. This week you will feel two choices: to follow your mind or to follow your heart. And you will feel like, oh my God, I'm so anxious. It will be like, both ways. I think you should follow your passion when it comes to your work and career, and you should follow your mind when it comes, or your heart. I mean, like your intuition when it comes to your love life. That is what I feel. I also feel like if you are in work or if you are looking for work, or regarding your career may be affected because of your bosses or seniors or people around you. You may have to communicate or defend yourself, but I feel it will, if you might have to do like, a presentation or something, but it will go in your favor. I feel you may have to work harder this week, but it will eventually bring you a lot of success, absolutely a lot of success. If you are looking for work, I feel your resume, your what you say, I think your job, people will value you. If you are looking for work, you are exactly going to find that person, that job that you are looking for. But I feel competition will be tough, so stay focused. If you are a student, I feel you could be worried, friends. I don't know why, but you are worried. Maybe because you had been working hard and you feel like luck has never been on your side, so you won't get selected or anything like that. Or because of the current world issues, you are like, oh, this year was so bad, nothing good will happen in my studies also, because this year is so bad. I think you will have a good chance in your career. You should not worry, especially if you are giving exams. You will be quite lucky, so don't worry about it. Epiphany is coming, so definitely, friends, a miracle will happen, and not just a miracle. You see, this is a breakthrough. This person is coming out of the darkness and out of a lotus, so definitely some sort of a breakthrough is going to happen. And I feel this is destined. It is a very, very destined thing. I feel some of you could be reconnecting with a twin flame, or an old partnership, or an old husband, yeah, like an ex-husband or wife that you lost touch with. But I feel this is going to bring you a lot of happiness. This is something that is destined. Some talks, some conversations that bring you relief and peace of mind. Let's see your advice for this week. Wow, soulmate connections, new romance with the spiritual basis is here for you. So, absolutely, friends, if you are single, I told you, you will be getting two people, or maybe someone that is your soulmate. or a twin flame is coming towards you, friends. Congratulations, this is so amazing. And even if you are not looking for love, you could be getting new partnerships, business partnerships, contracts, people who can support you on your work, your life path, your education. So absolutely that will happen. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So I think some of you are feeling like, why this wait? Why am I waiting? Nothing has happened, so it won't happen. But I feel there is, I told you, there is divine timing at work, and something, destiny is here. There are two cards, see, destiny, epiphany, and worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work. So absolutely what you're waiting for will happen for you. Just give it some time. Just give it some time. Let's see your charm so we can clarify what more will happen. For those who chose option number 2, how this week will be for those who chose option number 2. Wow, not, oh my god, I think you got the most charms today. Wow, this is unbelievable. E, L, and A. So Leah could be important, you know. L, E, and A, that could be the name. You also have the Ganesha charm. So definitely Lord Ganesha is favoring you and with you this week. You also have the Judgment. So destiny is with you. You have the penny. So Europe, you have the pence here. So Europe might be important, or someone from Europe, or or Britain is important. It is, I think, 50. I think it's 50. I'm not sure. It's 50 pence, I think. So that might be important. Number 5 might be important for you. Let us see. Yeah, see, third party. So maybe some of you are worried about third party situations in your love life, but I feel you don't need to be worried about it, because things are going to go in your favor. Someone is your soulmate and your relationships are very strong. You don't need to worry. Wow, you have the little cycle charm. I hope you can see it. This little cycle. It also feels like a baby prom to me. So definitely some of you could be expecting a baby this week, or maybe you will plan one now or in the coming months. Or I also feel like some of you could be working on your fitness, or while traveling you are going to meet this beautiful soulmate of yours. Also, I feel a stuck situation is going to move forward for you. Wow, you have so many charms. See, again, there is this gramophone. I don't know what you call it. And it also has this divine timing. It is like the announcement used to loudspeaker. And it also has a clock on it, if you can see it. So definitely divine timing is at work in your life. Worth waiting for. What else is here? You have the flower, so someone will offer you something this week. You have the leaves, so some conflict will end, some worry. This Nine of Swords will go away, and something beautiful will come manifest. Wow, this, you also have the winged angel. So this is a very positive week, friends, for you. You also have the Wheel of Fortune charm, the ring of commitment. So some of you could be getting a commitment or something like that. You also have angels protecting you. Oh my god, let us see this. What is this? Cuter than you. Hello, I'm cuter than you. So friends, someone actually is going to come in your life, which will be a very positive relationship, or someone will message you. Could be your soulmate or a new person, or you could message someone that, hey, you're cute, but I'm cuter than you. Some playful messages, and again more messages are coming for you. I don't know how many messages you have this week. Again, the message of love is coming, friends. This is the envelope with flower, messages of love. You also have the lantern. So definitely some sort of a breakthrough. I don't know if you can see it. This cute lantern is here. So some sort of a breakthrough is going to happen. Something will be lighted, like, where is that card? Epiphany. Something is going to reveal itself. Some destiny's plan. I feel like some sort of a plan is going to be revealed, because you have the Judgment. So some plan. I think this is a repeating theme for you. Some situation is like 9 years, 10 years, 5 years old, and you need to find some sort of a balance in it. So the plan will be why it happened, or what is the plan, divine plan for your life ahead will be shown to you. You have the lantern, you also have the fish bone, so something needs to be released, some situation that was fixed, or some block, some block will be removed from your life. You also have this beautiful leaf, I feel this is the clover leaf. So luck is with you. Wow, you have the dove, so forgiveness, forgive someone, focus on love. My god, so many charms you have. Doves also represent doves also represent messages coming your way. You also have this disc of love. It also has two fishes on it. So a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces may be important to you, friends, or you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have so many leaves here, so you could be attracting a twin flame, or I feel leaves could also be like new friends coming in your life. You also have this key, wow, locked, some sort of a key is coming, some sort of a solution is coming in your life, friends. You also have the bow, so someone feels very someone is very, how do I say this? Someone loves you a lot, they have sweet, affectionate feelings for you, and someone wants to build a nest with you. Look at this. This is the cute home with a bird nest on it. So, someone wants to build a home with you. So sweet, and messages are coming for you. And January might be important for some of you. Five of Wands, we have the Seven of Wands here. So, Five of Wands is also similar energy. Um, Neptune is like something was confusing, something was not clear in your life, there was a block, but I think destiny is going to show you why something is happening, dear. I feel you also have this, sun's energy. I feel dear is about, stay open. Something big will happen. Don't close your heart and don't doubt it. Mother, again, see, this is a time to stay open. So, some of you could become pregnant or mothers. If you are already a mother, your children are protected and gifted January, because you have the angel's charms here. Oh my god, you have the soulmate here. You have the soulmate card here. My god, there's something big is happening this week. Something big. Five of here. Yeah, someone ghosted you, someone blocked you, someone left your life. I think why it happened, or justice will be happening now. King of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel this is like someone only sharing their feelings of love. Ace of Wands is also here, so a new start or a new beginning is happening for you. We also have twins, so my god, some of you could be having twins, because we also have these leaves which are identical in some ways. So yeah, maybe you could be getting pregnant with twins, or someone in your family could be, or your twin flame is coming back. And you have another charm, this little cute goggles. Oh my god, look at that. Someone is stalking you, someone is eyeing you. You are someone's eye candy, friends, and you also love this person who is coming. Oh my god, that's it for now, friends. If you don't subscribe now, I don't know when you are going to subscribe our channel Magic Vans Tarot. Please do subscribe, like, and share, friends, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, do join us. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, and uh, if you want to buy our personal reading, visit our website or join us on Instagram, friends. Thank you so much. Mystic C saying bye for now. For those who chose option number 3, this beautiful cute apple, look at it, so pretty it is, very nice. I feel this is a very healthy and happy week for you. I also feel apples are about health, happiness, and love, Adam and Eve and the apple. So definitely love is the theme for you. Let's see what else. The romance angels, we're gonna look in the end. The advice for you. Let's see your cards. Wow, the Four of Wands, absolutely. The Three of Swords. Oh my god, the Knight of Pentacles. Wow. Someone has hurted you, my god. Two of Swords, sorry friends. The Knight of Swords and the Devil. Ooh, strong energy, celebrations. Psychic awareness. This is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. I feel some of you have your birthdays this week because we have the celebration card. So maybe you are Geminis, or Taurus. So happy birthdays. If you have a birthday or someone in your family has a birthday or your lover has a birthday, happy birthday, friends. Wow. We also have a new moon in on the around the 22nd of May, and sun moving in Gemini on the 21st of May. So a good and happy week is here for you, friends. I feel someone has hurted you. There is a lot of hurt, there is a lot of pain here. And I feel this is not just in your heart, someone else is also aching, missing you, hurting over you, someone is crying about you. I feel someone wants to make a move towards you because so many planets are in retrograde, so people are trying to think and take actions or make changes in their life. I feel someone wants to come towards you and share their heart with you. I feel this person is conflicted whether to come towards you or not come towards you. I feel this person may have put you in a third party or hurted you. You both have hurted each other, I feel this person is somewhat you may see this person, some of you see this person as a toxic connection, like they come in and out of your life, you're frustrated with them, or they have some anxiety, or they have a very high temper. You feel somehow this connection is toxic, but somehow you also feel very drawn, you feel very drawn towards this person, like, yeah, this is the one for you. And it is like kind of strange because you also feel they are toxic, but you also feel very drawn towards them. So there is this energy. I feel this person is also stalking your social media, or they are asking friends about you. I feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Capricorn, Virgo is important for you this week. I feel like some of you I feel like some of you are going to, this person wants to message you. I don't know why this keeps coming in. I feel like this person can't get over you. Something has happened. This person is shifting. Look at the Merkaba here. This star here, something is shifting. They are awakening in a way. I feel like I would like to clarify. My cards are not here right now. Just give me sorry, friends. Give me a second. Alright, yeah, I grabbed my cards. Angels, what is happening? Why the devil is here? I don't know. I feel like this person is awakening. They are shifting. Yeah, see, seek the truth. This person is opening the veil. They are growing. They are maturing. If you felt this was a toxic connection, or this person wasn't awakened, they were egoistic, they were just stuck in their old energy, or they had some patterns or something like that, you see, they are moving towards light. Something is going to shift in this person or in this connection, and you may get an apology or some sort of a truth or a message from this person. I feel this person has put you in a third party, or a lot of heartache has happened. I can feel a lot of tears, like, an ocean full of tears. You have cried, or this person has cried. This person is still resisting to come towards you, although they want to message you. But I feel they are going to make an offer of love. The Knight of Cups, an offer of love, or some sort of an offer towards you. I definitely feel some sort of a clarity will come, and they will come towards you. You could also be at a distance from this person, like physically or in separation, no contact with this person, but I definitely feel some sort of a message or movement is coming, a proposal is coming. Some of you, 50% of you, will leave this person behind, and someone new will enter your life, or you will finally decide to move away from this toxic connection, because it could also be that you start to see the truth that this person isn't going to change, so you move away from them. That can also happen, but for others I feel something will happen in this connection. 50, it is 50-50%, you know. For some of you, this person is coming in with an offer of love because they want to get married to you or settle down with you, or they feel this connection is very strong and they want to in the future marry you or settle down or build a home with you. I feel this is your twin flame, or you both mirror each other. Four of Wands, they want to bring stability and joy. For others, I feel you will realize this is not the one for you. You want to move ahead from them, and a new person will come in. Someone who will offer you love and commitment, and someone who will fight for you and who doesn't just give ups on you. You know, this person will fight for you. This new person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And this connection will lead to marriage, long term happiness, success, and joy. I also feel like some of you, if you are already married, you may feel like there is a third party going on in your relationship or marriage, or some sort of a toxicity is going on, some negative patterns. But I feel you will find the relief. Your husband or wife may propose something like, let's sit and talk, or they might do some sort of a, they might bake for you or cook for you, or they might bring you some flowers, you know. They, or your anniversary is coming, so we will check with the charms, don't worry, because you have the celebration card here. So some celebration is coming your way, friends. It could be an anniversary or a birth date or some sort of a happy news coming your way this week, so definitely. And I feel if you are asking about work, I feel you are conflicted whether to stay in your current job or leave it, what to do, what not to do. I feel like your work is taxing you or exhausting you this week. So be careful in how much you work or something like that, because you do have the devil. So you might become obsessed about working too much, or like you might become too much like, oh, I have to work, I have to do this, I have to do that. So relax, take a breath, focus on your family, your home life also. But I definitely feel some of you could be feeling like, should I stay in this work, or should I change my line of job, or will I get a better job or a better pay? I feel definitely if you had given an interview recently, you can expect some good news. If you are looking for jobs, you can expect some sort of a help to come your way. It might not be that you get the job, but I feel some of you could start working from your home also. Like, you know, you may leave your job and you may start like, I want to work from home, start my own business or something like that. I also feel if you are a student, some of you could be dealing with a lot of, health issues may affect you if you are a student, friend. Sorry to say, but I have to, because apples show health, so you may have to focus on your health. You may become addicted to binge watching Netflix or something like that. So be careful, don't overdo things if you are a student. Stay balanced, because you again have the Two of Swords. So it is like, nah, I want to do this, I don't want to study, I want to watch TV, I want to play the games. So friends, it might be, or you may also become very attracted to a person, especially if you are young. You may become very attracted to a girl or a boy. So, you know, a lot of issues are happening. Some of you, if you are dealing with the same sex relationship, you might face some issues like, you know what I mean, right? Like, issues which are about your sexuality and all those things, those might affect you. But I feel, you know, it's, you should focus on the happiness, you should focus on what makes you happy. Number four is about stability, so something will make you happy, friends. You just need to trust yourself. Psychic awareness, you are on the right path, friends. Don't doubt yourself so much, things will get better. This maybe you could be dealing with, like, if you are a student or a younger person, you might be dealing with a breakup right now, but it will heal, you know. Focus on your intelligence, focus on your psychic awareness. I feel your divine gifts will be opening up this week, so you need to focus on there. And something is coming your way. It could be a proposal, it could be a celebration or a wedding or a marriage, something like that. Let's see your advice for this week. Make a wish. This is a magical movement. Make a wish and enjoy its manifestation. So, absolutely, friends, go ahead, take a movement now. At the count of one, two, and three, and make a wish, friends. Okay, alrighty. So it will come true for you, friends. Do you have nothing to worry about? You are on the right path. Let's see your romance angels. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning. I told you someone is obsessed about you. This person can't let you go, and this person is like they are. I feel like they are right now also they are like, oh, they want to grab you in their arms, but like this person is like keeping at a distance. I don't know why they are stopping themselves. This person is coming, reconciliation is coming, trust the situation is calling for you to have trust. So definitely things will resolve, and you see this, you should follow your intuition, I feel. Let's see your charms, let's see your charms, so we can know what is happening for pile number 3, how this week will be from 17th to 23rd for pile 3. Okay. You also have lots of charms. There is K, there is G, there is T, there is a O, and there is a A. So there is a goat. So maybe a Capricorn is important to you, friends. A Capricorn or a Virgo Taurus, and we already have the Capricorn card here, the Devil. So you could be dealing with that, or someone is being like a goat, you know. Someone wants to message you, but they are like, nah, I will not. You know, someone's heart is telling them, go, 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 message, go, go, talk, but they are not talking. So that might be important. Any other word you can make? I can't. Maybe got is important. So Game of Thrones might be important for some of you. Some of you could be binge watching Game of Thrones, friends. If you are a student, I think it might be better to focus on your health and your studies also. Sorry for preaching, but have to say as I see things. And number 50, number 66 is important for you, and number 23 is important. So number 6, number 2 and 3 is important. 23 is important for you. Umbrella is here. I think someone and you have shared a very romantic moment, and someone, you know, this reminds me of a song. I hope you remember the song, right? So someone has shared a romantic moment with you, and they want to protect you for life. They feel very protected towards you. I feel if you are planning to get married or move away from this connection, this person will have like sleepless nights over you. Someone wants to build a home, and you know, this nest is here. So someone, you and someone wants to build a home. So some offer about marriage or regarding a marriage is coming. I feel if you are already married and your husband and wife is at a distance from you, there is a chance of good news, like, you know, you can finally see them or meet them because things are opening up now. So that news could come towards you. We also have the Ganesha charm, so some lucky thing will happen for you. We also have the bow. Yeah, someone has very sweet feelings for you, or a happy celebration, a gift is coming for you. We also have this loudspeaker with the, you know, time clock on it. So definitely something is coming your way, some good news is coming. And we have this baby cycle. It feels like a pram also to me, but it's a cycle actually. So yeah, someone is coming towards you, someone from your past, or someone new is coming towards you. I feel both energies are there, new and past. I also feel you could be moving towards someone and telling them your feelings, and something is cooking, friends. Something is boiling up for you, this good news, this miracle. You have the teacup, so something is boiling, and make sure to not watch too much, or balance your health also. I feel teacups are also, teapot is also about balancing. Soulmate is coming your way. August might be important for you, friends. The coming August or this August. January is also important. It could be you have birthdays or something like in January and August. And we have the 5 of Wands. And Five of Wands is also like someone was, a lot of fight, a lot of arguments happening, but now finally a resolution will happen. Ace of Cups is also here, the Knight of Cups is here, the Four of Wands is here. Oh my God, the Ace of Wands is also here. There is passion, there is love in this connection, and I finally feel there is God also helping in this connection. And this is the Queen of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be coming your way, or they could be important, or I feel there will be a very, very passionate reconnection or a very passionate love. Or maybe if you do not meet anyone, like some of you are like, oh, I never met anyone, you told me, Mystic, we are going to meet someone. It could be that you don't feel meet the one, but you feel this feeling, this passion, this love for someone in your life, or that love or passion is reignited. You may or may not meet them, but this energy is there where you and other person will feel a lot of passion, a new start, a new clarity. Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Dark Horse. So definitely someone is a dark horse. Someone is someone is like this, the devil. Someone is like you don't know what they are going to do next. They are unpredictable, or life is unpredictable. So yeah, take it as it comes. So this is it for now. This is an amazing, amazing week for you, and I wish you a happy week. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel if you haven't already subscribed. Subscribe, friends, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwandstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.